Hi, I'm Davis, and today I'm going to show you how to do the second fermentation on a batch of kombucha. The second ferment is where you can add flavors and carbonation to your homebrewed kombucha. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. Alright, step one, here we go. We remove the scobies from the jars where we have been doing our first fermentation. We can just take off this little piece of cloth there. It's held by a rubber band, and this is a paper towel. So this right here is the SCOBY. And it's alive, it's the bacteria. And so we're saving this for the next one. We'll put this into the next kombucha with a little bit of starter liquid, and it starts it once again. It renews. Now I'm taking some liquid to start, to make a starter batch for a friend. This is going to a friend right here. It has a piece of the SCOBY in it and the starter liquid, and they can use this to start their own batch of kombucha. All right, here we go. This is a 2.5 quart Pyrex container, and it does the trick. Step 2. Here is where we add our flavoring or ingredients to the kombucha. My favorite combination is blackberries, ginger, lemon, and rosemary. I find that mixing these ingredients adds a fantastic flavor profile, and the ginger in particular has compounds in it that help increase the carbonation, and that's one of my favorite things about drinking kombucha. The bacteria that's actually in the kombucha feeds off of the fructose that makes up the strain of the natural sugars that are in these fruits. And also it eats on different compounds in plants. And so, although the rosemary might not have a lot of sugar, there are different flavor compounds and terpenes that will be added to the brew. All right, here we have our mix of fruits and herbs. I used about a pint of blackberries, those maybe 2 inches of ginger, and a full lemon, and then one stalk of rosemary. And I just chopped them roughly, and I mixed them together here in this to try to get a good mixture. All right, now it's time to add the fruit mixture to our kombucha. This one is about twice as big as the smaller one, and so I put about twice as much of the mixture in. All right, now let's cover it back up, and we're gonna let this sit for another 7, maybe 10 days. The first fermentation takes, depending on the weather, between 2 and 3 weeks. The second fermentation period is about a week, maybe a little bit more. And then after I bottle it, I leave it at room temperature for about another week before I put it in the fridge. During that week, in the bottles, the carbonation grows. And when you open it, it'll be nice and fizzy. All right, well there you have it. That's how you do the second fermentation on your batch of kombucha. It's going to be delicious in about a week, and so I want you to come back and join me when I show you how to bottle it.